So we have two problems at sensible heat. So we have the first one. The given was state 1 is T1 is equals to 30 degrees C. Relative humidity is 40%. State 2 is T2 is equals to 20 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is equals to 72%. Mass flow rate is 2 kilogram per second. So the required is the QS or the sensible heat. So to solve for the sensible heat, use the formula QS equals to mass flow rate times Cp times T2 minus T1. So plug in the given 2 kilogram per second times 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram degrees C times 20 minus 30 degrees C. We have the answer negative 20.12 kilowatts. So for the problem number 2, the given state 1 is T1 is equals to 28 degrees C, relative humidity is equals to 55%, state 2 T2 is equals to 15 degrees C, relative humidity is equals to 85%, mass flow rate 4 kilogram per second, Cp of air is equals to 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram degree C. So the required is also sensible heat. Same with the solution, Qs is equals to mCp T2 minus T1. So plug in the given 4 kilogram per second times 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram degree C times 28 minus 15 degrees C. We have the answer 52.312 kilowatts. That's all.